is held high, where knowledge is free, where the wall has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars, where the wars come out from the depth of truth, where stylus striving stretches his arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dairy desert, sand of dead habit, into ever